grab my keys. What's up, Bad Bass Fishing? Welcome back to another episode. Oh God, it is bright. Fix this, let me fix. There we go. All right, if you guys are new to the channel, because I've picked up quite a few new subs here, my name is Aaron, and we do a lot of fishing and hunting and outdoorsy stuff. But today, me and your boy, the Sunfish Kid, who doesn't want to be in the shot, so he's facing the other way. We've got a store-bought crawfish trap, slash fish trap, I guess. And we've got a homemade one. So, today's goal is to get these traps filled up with the random crap I bought from Dollar General. Throw them in this crystal clear creek that we got right around the corner here, and see if we can't catch us some crawfish. So, stay tuned, you won't be disappointed. Alright, so we've got some sardines, which is really gross, and some hot dogs, and I had some ham somewhere. I don't know where it is. Somewhere. Is it? Oh. Some ham. Moldy ham that I'm not going to eat. And, excuse the weird autofocus noise you guys are probably hearing. It's like a grinding noise. Yeah, my mic mount broke, so I can't use my mic right now, so that's cool. But anyways, we're gonna fill these old traps up so I can get these opened up here. We're gonna fill these up as evenly as we can here. That's how we do that. This, I guess we're just gonna shove it down that hole. So, just give me a second. This could be so gross.
You have to touch it. Hey, at least there's a creek over there. You can wash your hands out.
So gross. No!
Are you cute?
Oh, man. Oh, so
God.
gross.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so nasty.
You had to mash.
Oh.
Hey, you left one.
Oh. So gross. Alright, that was pretty gross. Steven's gonna hold the camera for me because my hands are covered in sardines and moldy ham, so onward.
Dude, your camera's on fire.
Alright, so we're gonna take these traps and we're gonna stick them on these branches over here. I think they look pretty good. I'm not sure. Haven't really done this before, so I'm not really a pro at knowing where the crawfish are, but worth a shot. But anyway, so if you guys want to know how to make a homemade one for just $1, let me know in the comments below and leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll make a video on how to make one of these. And then store-bought, obviously, you just go to Walmart and buy one. Alright, so now you're just going to film, you're literally just going to stand there and just film me walking. Oh, I should probably get my wallet and phone out of my pocket.
You know, they'd probably be smart.
That's too smart. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I'm getting sardine juice on me.
Good thing you're in a creek. Are you gonna tie them to the same branch?
Oh, it's cold.
I'd imagine.
Wow. Don't fall. Holy cow, it's a big sucker.
One eternity later.
We got a bunch of fish trying to eat the bait through the trap, so I don't know. We'll catch fish or crawdads or nothing, so catch you guys tomorrow.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, well, it's been like 6 hours and I'm already down here filming another video, so stay tuned for that, by the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and check the traps, see if we got anything in there. I don't know, I feel like it's enough time, 6 hours. Should be a decent time. So we're gonna walk into this creek, get about 3 foot deep here with a $2,000 camera in hand and attempt to pull the traps up. Actually, whoa, chill. Actually, we're gonna hand the camera to Steven because I ain't taking no chance of breaking my camera. All right, let's go grab these traps real quick. Oh. Oh, we got fish. Steven, we got fish in here, dog. We've got something. Whoa. Dude, I've never seen a fish like that. Holy cow. All right, so we've got fish on this one. It's leaking water. It's a good fish trap. Maybe we made fish traps and not crawdad traps. Maybe that's what happened. But we got something in it. All right, so we're gonna take this one up. Definitely see one in there at least. Don't know if there's anything else in there because there's about 6,000 things in here. All right, trap number one. Forgot my phone's in my pocket, so this isn't a good idea. Oh, I see fish in this one too. Oh, I think this one has a lot more fish though. Ah, he'll be all right. Oh, check it. Dude, we have like a bluegill in here.
No crawdads though, huh?
No crawdads though, which is super weird. All right. Attempt to rip the top off here.
He's wrapping around your feet, dude.
Zeke, chill, bro. Man, I excessively taped this thing. Alright. Dump the sucker out. What do we got? Oh, we got like a minnow. Ooh. Check it. We've got, I don't know, 2 little creek chub, I believe that's what these are. So we're gonna go ahead and let these puppies go. Some more, buddy. Alright. So they're still alive. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. We got, ooh, a nice bluegill. Nice little bluegill here. Not too bad. There's fish 1. We've got what looks like a couple creek chub. Where's the other one? Alright, so a couple little creek chub. Go ahead and just toss those back. And then, oh, ooh, and then a fat little bluegill. Man, he is fat. Nice little fish though, so toss him back. And then we're gonna get a nice underwater release with this guy at the GoPro. Oh wait, we got another one here. Did you see a nice fish flop? Yo! It's an omega baby bluegill. Holy cow, look at this. This thing's tiny. I don't even know man. Pretty cool. Alright. So we got the GoPro in my pocket. Get some underwater footage here. All right, well, store-bought crawfish trap / fish trap, because we didn't catch any crawfish, is the winner of the little competition there. The homemade caught 2 of them, so I mean, maybe if we left it out longer, maybe it had a chance, I don't know. It's a lot smaller than the store-bought one, so that could be the reason too. But yeah, store-bought won that, so it is what it is. I don't know. I guess store-bought gets a prize. I don't know. But anyways, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make a $1 fish trap, I guess, because it doesn't catch crawfish apparently, let me know in the comments below and leave a thumbs up, so I know to make a video. Because I don't know, I don't have any ideas to make videos. It's kind of boring here in Missouri. Can't find anything to do or film, so I need ideas. Let me know in the comments below. It would help a lot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. My dog's whining, he's ready to go home, so I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing.